What's going on, everyone? Thank you so much for tuning in. Wednesday, May 31st, 2023. There's Peter's truck right here. There's Daniel's truck. And behind me is a Bosch. That's a 4-ton air handling unit. It's going up there in that house. Before we get started, guys, don't you know about Mikey Pipes Philanthropy? Check it out. Scan right there, ladies and gentlemen. Pause the screen and scan that. Thank you. Thank you so much. All right. Let's go say hi. I love this OSHA-approved plywood. Oh, I can almost stand up here. Wow. How you doing, Peter? All right. Daniel, you good?
Yeah.
This is a 110 volt air handler?
It is.
Okay. We'll take care of that. Oh my God, I need to wear a mask. Guys, you have no idea where I am right now. I'm like subterranean 3 levels in the guy's attic right now. I came from all the way up there, right? And I jumped down, came across, and now I'm down here, and thank God I'm wearing knee pads. I'm wearing kneecaps. But I was looking for this. I was not looking for the hole that rodent or squirrel ate into. I was looking for this copper line, which went to this PEX. The guy's front door is right there. This is the living room, right? That's the front covered porch. You can see it's open right there. And well, no wonder why the animals got here. But I was looking for that because he's got a wireless thermostat right now, and he doesn't want that. He wants me to run wire so I can put in another Honeywell 9000, which is far superior than any other thermostat in the market, especially like Ecobee and Nest. And we're gonna run this wire from here across that way and back over there to that air handler, that 4-ton air handler we're putting in. I'm gonna give Daniel a call. It's 9:33 in the morning, getting it done. And listen, I don't expect my guys to do something that I won't do myself. You'll catch me, Mikey Pipes, in attics and crawl spaces. That's about it. You know, I'm not going into sewers and stuff like that, but that's my rule of thumb. You know what? If I work on holidays, well, I expect my guys to work on holidays too, but that's what I do. I give my guys time off in the holidays, but if I'm in an attic, they're going to be in an attic. If I'm in a crawl space, they're going to be in a crawl space, and we're going to run this wire. Whew. Now that the wire is out of the way, let's take a look at the second Bosch this customer's getting. There's the gentleman's generator. We have one Weather King here. There's the Bosch, the 4-ton. This is the 60 matched with the 4-ton air handler. That's the new one. This is another remaining condenser, Weather King probably, Rude, I don't know. Here's the Bosch that we put in 2 years ago. There's the IDS 2.0 for the master bedroom. Nice Bosch. And we're actually using it with a heat pump. Pretty dirty though, wow. Probably should do a tune-up here while we're at it, but I was wrong. It's a rude boy. And the coils, not terrible. And there's that Bosch. And yes, I know we have a placement issue, but the objective is this is going to be the next system we replace, and we'll center it between the both remaining Bosches. And that one we're going to put on the other end when that one goes. I had my masonry guy, Gustavo, he built this a couple years ago because, believe it or not, you had the other condenser right there, and they were squeezing there like, well, let's put it like a Kit Kat bar. And we're up there, right there close. So he built this for me, and we put that there, and wow, it was pretty rough. And as I get to do things, I do things more right. So that one's going to stay right there, right? And this one's going to be centered when we replace it, and then that one's going to go at the end. I'm trying to get him to push the fence over a little bit, but he's not having it. He's not having it, so it is what it is.
Nice Kohler standby whole house generator. And if you're wondering, you know, we have a big house here. It's a big generator. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a 3-ton. That's a 3-ton. That's a 4-ton. That's a 3-ton. So we have a lot of power here. Hence the reason for the generator, the Jenny. I gotta tell you what I really love about these Bosch systems. It's running right now, and you can hardly hear it. And it's also hardly moving the guy's electric meter, because when she's running, she's usually running around 3 to 4 amps of power. And that's the benefit of inverter technology by Bosch. All right, to save time, because it's 12 o'clock, Daniel's still up with Peter, even though he fired Peter twice, but he keeps rehiring him, seriously. I'm outside working on the condenser. Let me show you what I did with the other mic. I brazed, and I think I did a good job brazing. That's not a hole, that's good. And see, I brazed there too, and brazed there, and brazed there, and I'm gonna try to get my low voltage wire inside the armor flex. And we're connected. I got the Wagos. We're only using it as a straight cool, so just the brown and the yellow. Brown is 24 volts. Yellow is the cooling circuit, and L1, L2, and ground. Cut this down a little bit, and right to there, and we'll add our surge protector a little bit later. All right, about a few minutes to 2 o'clock. We're kind of slow today. We're at 205 microns. Almost at 200 now, 199. It's been running for probably about 4 minutes. Daniel's inside. Well, no, Daniel's there. Peter's inside working on the condensate. Yep, you need the cutters for that. We're about to dump the charge. 166, 163, 2, 1, 160. We're gonna let that run for another 10, 15 minutes and we'll get something to drink, but damn, it's hot. There's that sun. She's hot, bro. She's hot. And it's only 72 degrees out, but I'm schwitzing like a momser. I tell you. All right, ladies and gentlemen. It's 2:33. She's been running this whole entire time. Let's see what we're working with. Let's have a contest. I love contests. It makes me closer with the community. The closest... Forget about going over or not going over, under or over. The closest to the micron that's on, the micron number that's on the micron gauge right now, I'm going to send a hat to. One of these. All right? So the number is, are you ready? Don't cheat. Don't cheat, okay? I don't want you to cheat. I want you to pause right now. Pause the video and take a wild guess. My systems are dry and tight. I thought I was recording this whole time, but it wasn't. We're only human, we make mistakes. The answer is 39.7 microns. All right? So whoever got 39.7 microns won a hat, okay? Closest. I don't care if you went over or under. 39.7 is the answer. I opened the valves, and it shot up to around 1100, and now it's at 217 and still dropping. Let me show you. See? She's still dropping. Hopefully I didn't give you guys a heart attack right there, but let me open up these valves. All right, ladies and gentlemen, it is 10 minutes to 3 right now. Let me show you what makes Bosch such an exceptional machine and why Pipe Doctor installs Bosch. Look at that amperage. 4.6 volts, baby. And we're at 100%. All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching. Really appreciate it. I'm about to go down the block right now. I got this summons from the Village of Valley Stream Justice Court. Apparently, unless you pay off enough people in the Village of Valley Stream, you can't have a dumpster outside your business without a permit. And if you're going to put a cement pad for that dumpster, well, you need a permit for that too. Yep. And I went in there last Wednesday wearing a hat because I didn't want to wear a yarmulke on because I don't feel like being persecuted by anti-Semitism. And they told me to leave unless I take my hat off. So needless to say, I sent them a letter, the judge, and now I'm going back there today and answering the summons. You can never win. And that's why I'm expanding into the great state of Florida. And on the way down there, I'll stop by South Carolina. I'll take care of Conrad too.
Bye.